A very quick dinner. About 15 minutes and you're all set. Fry the onions in vegetable or butter oil. Add 2 medium-sized mushrooms. All this fry until the onion is transparent. Add boiled chicken. And fry for another minute. Salt. Add a little black pepper. Two tablespoons of farmer's cream. Stir. Put the lid on and let simmer for a couple of minutes. And we have the perfect dinner for 2 servings. We serve chicken and cream sauce with mushrooms, with roasted tomatoes, pickled garlic, and fresh cucumber. Bon appetit!